Hi, welcome to Informatics Engineering University of Mataram. Are you curious about this study program? Let's go! Informatics Engineering Study Program, or which is called PSTI, is a study program under the auspice of the Engineering Faculty of Mataram University, located at Jalan Majapahit number 62, Gomong, Mataram, Mataram. PSTI has two buildings, namely Building A and Building D. Informatics Engineering Study Program located on the second floor of Building A, Faculty of Engineering, University of Mataram. Here, you can see the results of research of your seniors. You know it can be your inspiration. Meet administrative services offline. Let's go to the study program counter. Academic Information System Services can access through the page sia.unram.ac.id. You can access this page using the username and password that you already have. This service provides information such as students' biodata, grades, study plan cards, short semester classes, message, schedules, and courses. PSTI is currently working with Microsoft, Kumamoto University, Seoul National University, and Ministry of Communication and Digital Affairs to provide learning opportunities and add experience for students of Informatics Engineering Mataram University. All classrooms in PSTI are equipped with air conditioning, tables and chairs, projector, and internet access. PSTI has 3 research laboratoriums, namely the Intelligent System Laboratorium, Data Communication and Embed System Laboratorium, and Enterprise Information System Laboratorium. All laboratoriums are equipped with adequate computers, have been connected to the internet network. Laboratoriums have also been equipped with air conditioning and CCTV to monitor student activities.